Hi boys and girls, my name is Joyce. I'm one of the Kids Wait interns.
And I'm Mia, and I'm one of our preschool coordinators.
And today, since we talked about Noah's Ark, we're going to be making paper plate animals. So for this craft, you're going to need paper plates, a spoon, shaving cream, liquid glue, and any kind of construction paper that you want to use for this.
Yes. Now don't forget to ask your parents' permission to use any of these supplies and get them to help you too with this project. Also, if you don't have access to shaving cream, cotton balls are a great alternative.
Alright, so using the materials that we have, we cut out different shapes to determine which kind of animals we were going to make.
So we're doing a bunny today, so the first thing we did was we drew on some eyes, and then I cut out some long ears, and also a nose. But if you don't want to do a bunny, that's perfectly fine because you can change the colors. You can also change the eyes and the ears to make different animals, just like I made a little sheep right here.
So we're going to jump right in. So the first thing you're going to use is your shaving cream and your glue. What you want to do is pre-measure it so that you have equal parts of each other so you can mix it together. Use your spoon to mix it all together. If you don't want your animal to be just white, you can use food coloring. Use small amounts of food coloring at once. So I start off with 3 drops just to see what the color would look like first. And make sure you mix it all together, and eventually the color will spread out. The more coloring that you use, the darker the color will be. And make sure, once you're done mixing it all together, you spread it out the way that you want it to look around your animal. Once you've placed it in the position that you want, it'll dry that exact same way, so make sure that you have everything ready and just place it aside so that it'll take about 30 minutes to dry, and make sure that you don't touch it in the process because it'll disturb the drying process.
So once it's completely dried, that's when you can add the nose and the ears with glue or tape. Once you've done that and you've let everything dry, you've got a really awesome little plate animal. So like we were saying before, if you don't have shaving cream, another alternative is to use cotton balls, and to do that is really easy. You start with the same steps. You draw on your eyes, but instead of using shaving cream, you're just going to put a thin layer of glue, and you're going to take cotton balls like these, and you're just going to place them on top of the glue, and you're going to wait for that to dry. Once it dries, that's when you can add your nose and your ears. You can make sheep or polar bears, or you can probably even color on the cotton balls a little bit.
If you'd like to share yours, go ahead and share your pictures into the comments or tag us on Instagram or Facebook and let us know what your animal looks like. Bye!